Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Market Martians. If you're new here, my name is Austin, and this is the Market Martians stock trading channel on YouTube. And today we're going to be covering Coinbase. I'm going to give you guys a little insight on where I see this going in the short term and long term, and how we're going to play this out in earnings. Hopefully we see, some decent price action after earnings, but we'll discuss that in a bit here. Thank you guys so much for 300 subscribers. So let's start moving up to 400 subs. That'd be awesome. If you like this content, please drop a like and subscribe, and make sure to check out our Discord link. I'll put that in the description down below. Free to join. We also offer some memberships as well. We give stock alerts, day trade alerts, and we talk about stocks like Coinbase as well. Swing trades, option trades, all kinds of stuff like that. So let's go ahead and hop into Coinbase and talk about where I see this going in the near future. So currently trading at 276, had a nice pump up, opening up today over the weekend, because we saw that movement from Bitcoin. Bitcoin hit about $45,000. A great bounce back from Bitcoin, and this is really going to rely on Bitcoin's price movement because it's gonna replicate what that does. So the first thing that we have to realize is that that Bitcoin, if Bitcoin drops, Coinbase is mostly going to drop. They're gonna pretty much mirror each other for the most part, I'd say. And that's for the most part. I'm not saying that's for sure, but I'd say that's what I would imagine. So right now we're at 276 here. I think we're going to hold this. This is a support line I want to see held in the future for higher low. 245. I think that 290 is coming up in the near future for us. I see a possible gap fill as well. 305. I could see a lot of FOMO behind this one. A lot of fear missing out behind Coinbase, because really this is the main trading platform for not trading, but a lot of people keep their crypto on Coinbase. I'd say it's one of the most popular. The interface is very reliable. It's very clean. It's easy for people to use. So possible earning run. This could be an anticipatory run. People are buying in, hoping that earnings are going to be good. I don't know if they're going to be good or not. I can't really decide. I have no idea. And even if they are good, there's no telling if that's gonna help the price move up or down. Earnings is a coin flip. That it's a lottery ticket. So if you want to buy calls or puts on this, that's up to you. If you want to play it that way. But in my opinion, I think that earnings will be decent enough. A lot of people are using Coinbase. I'm sure more and more people are using it. Hopefully, Coinbase gives us some direction. That's what we really want to see. We don't want to see any lack of information. We want to see them tell us how they're going to innovate and, how they're going to educate more people to buy crypto, how they're going to teach us, more and more about their company and how they plan on growing for the next quarter. So earnings are going to be announced tomorrow. I don't know if it's pre-market or after. I couldn't find that. I believe it's going to be pre-market hours. I'll double check to find that, but I'm not positive it's pre-market or after hours. Either way, if it's after hours, you're going to see probably a run up towards the end. And if it's pre-market, you might see the pump up half an hour, or you might see a sell-off. But if earnings are good, my target is 305. I think that's not that crazy. I think this will get pushed over $300, and people are gonna start experiencing that FOMO. Remember, this was like at $400 at one point when it first IPO'd. So if you bought down here at 235, 220ish, great buy for you. Great job, well done. Might want to start exploring taking a little bit of profit, just because we're in a very volatile market right now, and you don't want to have too much in something that's going to be relying on Bitcoin, especially with the infrastructure bill coming out. I don't want to get too much into crypto, but this is what this relates to. This is related to crypto, and a lot of people have to realize that if the infrastructure bill goes negatively towards the community, then this is going to drop with it. As you see, many stocks like Mara and Riot and all these other Bitcoin mining stocks, they're moving up, with the crypto market, and that's what this is going to do. So maybe if you don't want to invest in crypto, you're choosing Coinbase as your investment to make money off crypto, which is fine. I mean, that's not a bad way of going about things. But yeah, guys, what I'm going to be looking for is, I think if we hit 290, we gap fill up to, around 300 plus. So if you want to play earnings here, make sure to have a good plan going into this. And my plan would be, okay, maybe if we go past 280 today, you're going to buy in, and you're going to swing this to maybe 290 tomorrow. That's a possibility, but I don't know. I think that if you're going to buy in, you should have bought down here around this 240 mark. So, good luck if you're going to play the earnings for options, calls, or puts, whatever you decide doing. I'm not really sure how I would go about that, but I think earnings are going to be decent. But I do see 290 and 305 in the near future. That's what I think is possible. So I really do think if we hit this 290, 305 is going to happen. That's my opinion. Not a financial advisor. Play at your own risk, but that's what I'm seeing. So if you like this video, please drop a like and subscribe. Have a great day. And also, make sure to check out our new website. I'll put that down in the description also, called www.martiantrades.com. Have a great day.